Khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaintia Hills District, kum shibanta ban peni ka jingla abat ka jing tibet jong ki khana Scouts and Guides haki rukom ba pher haka arpu hundred terik ubuna risau arajar arpuway kala penlong ya Raja Puraskar Testing Camp ha district headquarter kabadan hajawai. Kani ka testing camp kalong kawai ni kirukom badai ban pendep man la usnem lagi bor penya jong ka Scouts and Guides movement kabadan hakeleng ki jilla kari India bat lingba kini ki testing camp ki bor penya ki la ban tip ya ka jingla bat ka jing tibet jong ki kena na ka benta bakin la ban penkup ya ka kerdan ya ka bada tip kum ka Raja Puraskar Award ne ka Governor Award bat ka Rashtrapati Award ne ka President Award.
The side event enter exit. Then clear. Clear.